Have you ever pondered the complexities of learning and research in today's fast-paced world? Navigating the vast sea of information, pinpointing relevant material, and carrying out meticulous data collection and analysis can be a daunting task. This information overload, coupled with the time-consuming nature of these tasks, often leaves students and researchers feeling overwhelmed. The evolution of technology, however, could offer a solution. These challenges beg the question, how can artificial intelligence lend a helping hand? Introducing Consensus, an AI-powered tool that democratizes expert knowledge. This advanced search engine takes the vast expanse of information on the web and distills it into digestible pieces. Harnessing the power of machine learning and natural language processing, Consensus delves into the depths of online publications, analyzing and interpreting their contents. When you ask the right questions, Consensus embarks on a quest to find answers, examining countless publications along the way. It doesn't just provide a simple answer, but also offers a confidence level that indicates the reliability of the information based on the sources it has used. This unique feature allows for robust summaries of expert knowledge, breaking down the barriers that once required specialized expertise. No longer is expert knowledge a well-guarded secret, accessible only to a select few. With Consensus, obtaining expert knowledge is no longer a privilege of the few, but a right of the many. Next, we have Quillbot, an AI tool that enhances the quality of your writing. This innovative platform harnesses the power of advanced natural language processing techniques to generate high-quality content. But how does it do that, you ask? Quillbot can rewrite and rephrase your text, enhancing not only your vocabulary use, but also your sentence structure. It's like having a personal editor at your fingertips, ensuring your writing is not just good, but great. And that's not all. It also provides alternate word suggestions, helping you improve the flow of your text and avoid repetition. Now, when it comes to research, originality is key, and plagiarism is a big no-no. Quillbot helps here too by offering a paraphrasing tool and text summarization feature that ensures your work is unique and original. Quillbot not only streamlines the development of well-written original research work, but also assists in avoiding plagiarism. Gradescope, an AI tool, is revolutionizing the way grading and feedback are provided. Imagine a world where handwriting is recognized instantly, code is deciphered in seconds, and assignments are graded at lightning speed. That's the world Gradescope is creating. This powerful tool harnesses the potential of machine learning to transform the grading process. Grading, a task that typically consumes enormous amounts of time and energy, becomes a breeze with Gradescope. The continual learning and adaptation of the AI allows it to better understand student inputs over time, making it an ever-improving assistant for educators. But Gradescope doesn't just speed up grading. It also offers detailed feedback to students, allowing them to pinpoint areas for improvement. This fast, insightful feedback loop is critical for learning, enabling students to quickly adjust and perfect their understanding. Gradescope saves instructors time, enabling them to provide detailed feedback swiftly and efficiently. Finally, we present Elicit and Semantic Scholar AI tools that simplify data collection and analysis and aid in discovering relevant research. Let's start with Elicit. Picture a tool that not only enables you to create custom surveys, but also extracts meaningful insights from qualitative data such as interviews. That's Elicit for you. It employs advanced natural language processing techniques to analyze responses and provide real-time analytics. With Elicit, you can visualize trends and patterns in your data with ease, making the process of data collection and analysis significantly more efficient. Now, let's move on to Semantic Scholar. In the vast ocean of academic research, finding the most relevant papers can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. This is where Semantic Scholar steps in. It uses AI to analyze millions of research papers, but it doesn't stop there. It also provides targeted recommendations based on contextual relevance thanks to its machine learning and natural language processing capabilities. Imagine the time saved and the precision gained. No more sifting through piles of unrelated papers. Semantic Scholar provides you with a direct path to the research most pertinent to your work. With Elicit and Semantic Scholar, research becomes a more efficient and informed process, making the most of the wealth of information available. In sum, AI is transforming the way we learn and conduct research. Consensus democratizes expert knowledge, making it readily accessible. Quillbot improves writing quality, refining vocabulary and sentence structure. Gradescope automates grading and feedback, saving valuable time. Elicit simplifies data collection and analysis, while Semantic Scholar aids in discovering relevant research. These AI tools are not just handy assistants, they are game changers, propelling learning and research into a future of greater efficiency and effectiveness.